This is an introductory kinematics problem that deals with a ball only going in the vertical direction. This makes it a bit easier to analyze. So let's get right into it.
So a 2.5 kilogram ball is thrown vertically to reach an apex of 40 meters. What is the initial velocity of the ball? And assume that gravity equals 9.81 meters per second squared. Let's first start by listing out some known values. So we know the mass is equal to 2.5 kilograms. Y0 equals 0 meters because it's starting from the ground. Y1 equals 40 meters because that is our apex. And we know that gravity equals 9.81 meters over seconds squared. Let's go ahead and draw a little diagram of what's going on here. So this ball is starting from the ground. Get our ground drawn here. Let's draw our ball. And we know that that final height is y1 equals 40 meters and y0 equals 0 meters. Starts from the ground. So we also know that the ball is going up at some unknown velocity. So let's call this v0 equals question mark because we're solving for that. And we know that at the apex of the ball's travel, v1 equals 0 because the ball is not moving upwards anymore at that point. It's the maximum height the ball can reach. So the equation I'm going to use for this is v1 squared equals v0 squared plus 2a times delta y. And I'm going to sub in for delta y here. v1 squared equals v0 squared plus 2a times y1 minus y0 because this is our change in height. So we know that v1 is equal to 0 based on our diagram up here. We're solving for v0, so that's going to stay like that, plus 2 times negative 9.81 times 40 minus 0, because y1 is equal to 40 and y0 is equal to 0. The reason this here is negative is because our acceleration is going in the downward direction. So since the ball has a vertical velocity, it is positive in the y direction, and a is negative in the y direction, which means it has to be negative when we plug that in down here. So let's solve for v0. And you can see we have a double negative. And I'm going to move that square over. And v0 is equal to 28.01 meters per second.
And that is your final answer. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. Please subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And thanks for watching.